Do you ever wish that you had instant access to a professional singer? Or maybe now you can. Vocal tools are getting better and better every day. And today I'm trying out the Audimee vocal tool. Hi, I'm Adam from AM Music and I'm currently in Kuala Lumpur, miles away from my studio space in London. And a mixing client that I have wants me to add male backing vocals to a track I'm already mixing for them, which puts me in a bit of a jam. They don't know any male vocalists and I don't have much recording equipment with me, so I suggested we tried out the Audimee vocal platform. So first off, here is the track I'm working with.
Breathing out, 'cause I'm tired and I can't take the taste you leave in my mouth. You love to know that I ache.
And this is the first time I'm diving deeper into this software. I've had a quick look at it and I thought it was cool, but now let's really see what it can do. Alright, cool. So first up, I'm going to go to audimee.com and go to create, like so. If you go to plans and pricing, you can just come to 3 and you can go to get started. So the main feature of Audimee is being able to convert vocals. So at the top here, you've got the ability to switch between different voices. So it starts off here with Mark, but you can choose from all these different ones. There's less on the free than on the paid version, but there's still about 15, I believe. And you can choose some of these people. So I want to convert a female vocal to a male vocal. So let's go with Blake, and you get a little preview. And then if you scroll down, you've got the input and the output. So we want to input an audio file. You have to use WAVs, MP3s, OGG, M4A, FLAC, or you can record in an audio file by clicking here. When you convert it, you'll have an output and you've got a history over here. You can see I've been playing around with a few different versions. There's also a pitch editor, which will work when I load something in. And then a few other settings down here. So like pitch shift and the conversion strength, and the ability to clean up the vocal a bit, remove instrumentals, remove background vocals, remove the reverb and echo, and remove any noise. So let's bring in some audio to work with. Just going to select that. I've got some tests ready to go. Let's do Gemma. So I found it does work better, and it does suggest that you use dry sounding vocals. Okay, you can then play your input there, which we just heard. Now it will allow me to increase vibrato and the pitch. If I'm going to tune it to a key, I can now go into the pitch editor as well, and it kind of looks a bit like Melodyne in a way, but a bit more simplified, but very easy and simple to use. So it will do an analysis, you can see the points, you can move stuff about, and I can undo that. And yeah, you can change these different settings down here as well. You can go into the vibrato, drift, and cut. And there's loads of handy videos that you can watch as well, just so you can get your head around it quicker. You can transpose up the top here, and I'm not going to do any of that. So I want to convert this to a male vocal, and so what I'm going to do is shift it down an octave, and that's what the platform recommends. The conversion strength, so this is how much of the original input character is going to be retained, and I've been keeping this at around 30%. That's where it seems to sound best to me. And here's things you can do to clean up the vocal a little bit if you need to. So I'm not going to worry with any of that. So I'm now ready to go and I want to convert it. You can see my history there, and up here it's just going to take a few seconds to convert. The bigger the file, the longer it takes, but mine's only a couple of phrases long. So let's see how it did as Blake.
Breathing out, 'cause I'm tired and I can't take the taste you leave in my mouth. You love to know that I ache.
That is pretty good. That is pretty good. Can't really hear any artifacts. I think if you blind tested that, most people wouldn't be able to tell you that that was artificially generated. So pretty cool. I'm impressed with that. I'll happily put that into my tune. So when you're ready, you can download it. You can download it as a WAV. I'm going to blend that in with my original vocal. What we could do as well is to also go to make harmonies here. There's another section, and so we can import that same file again. Let's add in a voice. So let's choose, I'm going to go for Mark, who's one of the OGs. So let's go down one octave, but plus a fifth. And we need to go to convert. It's going to do some stuff, work its magic. Okay, we're there. Now let's have a listen.
Breathing out, 'cause I'm tired and I can't take the taste you leave in my mouth. You love to know that I ache.
Okay, pretty cool. Nice, we've got a couple of harmonies. We've got an octave lower and we've got a fifth lower. So I want to download that one now as well. So that's the harmony section. We've got the isolate vocals section as well, which I glossed over, but this is where you basically clean up your vocals. So if I wanted to remove any instrumentals, any background vocals, any reverb and echo, or remove any noise, you would just flick these all on, input your audio, and then the output you get would be a cleaner audio. Now let's just go back to our Logic project and we can import those vocals that we downloaded. So here's the file, just a bare project at the moment. I haven't really started mixing it at all yet. So let's just bring in those other downloads. We've got Mark and we've got Blake.
Baby, won't you be my nicotine?
Breathing out, 'cause I'm tired and I can't take the taste you leave in my mouth. You love to know that I ache.
Okay, that sounds pretty cool to me. I'll blend them in with some reverbs and stuff, but yeah, that would be perfect for adding in backing vocals. And if you wanted to completely replace a vocalist, you could. Not sure the artist would like that though, so maybe don't do that. And what I like about the platform is it is actually really easy to use. It hasn't taken me very long to get my head around this. It's definitely a great tool just to have there if you need a vocal. A lot of people that aren't vocalists can just fire this up, can record in something themselves. Doesn't have to be amazing, and then they can use the tools to improve it with the pitch editor and give it a new life by choosing one of the vocalists. I think the sound quality of the tool is really good. I reckon maybe 95% of people wouldn't be able to tell that this isn't a real voice. And there is a free tier as well, so you can just get rolling with it today. There are obviously some limitations on this, but if you do want to buy it, then it's only $12 a month, which is fairly reasonable, I would say, when you factor in the time it would take to record a natural vocalist and pay a session vocalist. It's a bit of a no-brainer in that sense. And if you use my code, then you can get a discount. If you want to check it out, try the free version. I think it's really handy if you don't have a vocalist friend that you can rely on to come in and sing some bars for you. And if you're like me right now and not able to get into a studio, then it is perfect. So definitely one to add to your set of production tools. I'll put all the links in the description. Go check their stuff out. Really interesting. Have a play around. I hope that you found this interesting and I will see you on another video. Take care. Bye.